Hey, timestamp on the photo, match your debit card swipe. We got a name.
Cross-reference his image with the DMV. Second guy in the photo with our bomber, his name is Kevin Lynch.
If he spent lots of time in that apartment, he's a real threat.
He might be the ringleader.
He has his own place. We're headed there now.
What else do we know about him?
Attended Camden College with Adam, dropped out a month ago.
Listen up. Good chance he's sitting on more bombs.
Heads up, Hondo.
Watch every step.
Hondo, take this guy down, but be careful, okay?
Piece of cake.
Hey, Buck was here?
Yeah.
I didn't get to see him. Is he coming back later?
I don't think so, Street. Eyes ahead on the cross traffic.
Clear! Whoa!
Reggie says it's ammonium nitrate packed in there with C4, same as earlier. Also says he can't believe no one died. If Kevin's waging jihad, he's not doing a very good job. You got something?
The building security cameras. Kevin called in a bomb threat just a few minutes after he dropped the backpack in the second floor lobby. Who are the other tenants in the building?
Investment firms. Metzler Financial, Dwyer Capital, Sherman Ross. Why bomb this place?
Agent, the kid called in a bomb scare to clear the lobby.
I'm aware.
But wouldn't a terrorist be going for the highest body count?
Not all terrorists think alike.
All those doors you've been knocking down in the Muslim community. You get anything?
Related to this, no.
All due respect, Agent, I've been going down that road with you, but look around. This place was not a target of opportunity for Kevin. This was Kevin executing his plan. A plan that's not exactly screaming jihad to me.
Okay, you might be right. But my bosses want me to keep going through our watch list. So where are you guys on tracking Kevin Lynch?
We were on our way to his home when this happened. Now, I doubt he'd be stupid enough to go back there, but we still need to see what we can find.
Okay, just keep me apprised.
Hey, Hondo.
Yeah, what'd Reggie say? He got anyone free to sweep Kevin's place?
No, he needs his technicians for another couple hours to sift through the rubble.
Yo, Reggie! I need you to open up your toy box for me.
Better not break it.
Let's go. Kevin may have left this place rigged, so keep your eyes peeled. Fan out around the perimeter in case this place goes up.
Got the 3 side.
Who's getting eyes in that garage? How about the new guy?
Fine with me.
Go.
No one's home. All clear.
Fall back.
Andros is going in.
Where'd you learn to operate these?
Celtics Lakers 2008 finals. My unit had to sweep the Staples Center for explosives, so I got certified.
You guys got a visual?
Roger that. There's something planted in here. Booby trap. The place is gonna go up.
Along with any evidence.
Stand by. Hold on. I might be able to put the fire out. Andros must have tripped this failsafe. It's crude, but it's impressive. Kid didn't want us to find anything in here.
Boss? Found a term paper call written by our first bomber, Adam, along with Kevin. Do you think this is something?
Paper for what?
Camden College, poli-sci 4-3.
It could be, but I still think we're missing something. Keep looking.
Luca, can we try my way now?
All right, that works too.
Guys, listen to this. When institutions favor the haves over the have-nots, violence may not just be an expected outcome, but a certain one.
Chris, Street, get down to Camden College and see what you can find. Be quick, go. You guys keep digging.